down with the Rickshawali. So Ricksters, today I'm going to do something very, very new. You've seen Anisha reading out mean comments, you've seen Anisha answering your questions, and now you're going to see Rickshawali reading out comment drama. So Ricksters, this is what it is. The internet is not the best place, especially if you're a female YouTuber. And if you're like me who takes comments very seriously, I even reply to some of the comments on a regular basis, then drama is bound to happen. So today I'm going to read out some of the interesting drama-filled comment threads. So this is how it works. One person watches my video and leaves a comment on that video. Then with time, other viewers come in and even they reply to the very same comment. And then with time, this evolves into this massive online YouTube drama. So let's start with the first drama. So the first comment was from my things Indian girls do before going to a wedding, and one of my characters said something about sauerkraut being yummy, and oh my god, one of the viewers took this super seriously. So this comment was left by somebody called Piyal Karu. Now I don't know if that's a boy or a girl, but this is what he or she said. German sauerkraut and yummy in the same sentence? Seriously? Yes, and guess what? 14 people agreed with him. And then I thought he was trying to be sarcastic, right? And then I thought I was trying to be funny and wrote, believe it. But he didn't think this was funny. On the contrary, he took it super seriously and wrote, nope, I know that from first-hand experience. Hint, I live in Germany. Wait, what? That made me super angry, and I'm like, wait, I live in Germany and I know exactly what I'm talking about. So I wrote, I was born and raised in German. Now because I was so angry, I didn't even know English grammar anymore and wrote German instead of Germany. And then I thought I was in a cricket match and wrote, how's that? He wrote, I know, but that doesn't change my point of view. Like, what? Of course I know better because hey, I'm born and raised in Germany. I know about sauerkraut. Sauerkraut runs in my veins. Seriously. The other day I went to the doctor and the doctor wanted to take some blood from me. Guess what? More sauerkraut came out than white blood cells. So I know what I'm talking about. And then, as all things in life, when two people start fighting about who's more German than the other, a third person comes in whose name is Keshav Bhatia, who just wrote in the middle, why? I mean, two people are fighting. Why are you coming in? Why are you writing why? Like why? Why are you even coming into our discussion? And once a third person comes in, guess what? A fourth person comes in. And from this entire discussion, guess what Mr. Multi-Big Bird 01 took out from? He needed to correct my grammar and wrote Germany. And then the fifth person came in whose name is Ankit M, who I think is Lord Shiva, the destroyer of the world, at least according to his profile picture. And he summarized his entire discussion and ended it right there by saying Daya Daya. Yep, sauerkraut is Daya Daya. So the next comment is from my video how to trick people into thinking you're a virgin, and this person really liked my Shin-chan reference in it. Rose and the Winter Storm wrote, what up Shin-chan reference, love you more Rickshawali. This is my favorite video on the entire YouTube now, even better than my older favorites, love you. Oh, thank you so much, I love you too. This is an awesome comment, I feel really humbled. But somebody didn't like it, and that somebody is Love Rudraksh, and he wrote ahem semicolon P, to which then Rose and the Winter Storm replied and gave a backhanded compliment to him. You are not my favorite, love, you are simply bae. Of course, that was very sweet of her to say that. And then a third person out of nowhere had to come in, of course, and of course, as all things on the Indian internet, it had to lead to Superwoman. He wrote, you are talking in Superwoman tone. What up Superwoman reference? Which is still fine, but then Prakruti came in and she said, you, meaning Love Rudraksh and Rickshawali, both are trying to imitate Superwoman. Oh man, Indian internet cannot live without women being compared to Superwoman. Just because I'm an Indian girl who happens to have black hair and is brown doesn't mean I'm imitating Superwoman. I'm a Rickshawali, okay? I have my own identity. Got it? The next comment is from my video Things Girls Do Secretly, and I had exposed many secrets of girls there, but there was this one guy who thought all the secrets I said were not valid at all. His name is John Moses, who wrote, I am an Indian. Thank you for proving us that. And I know very few Indian girls are like this girl. Do not trust her. Indian girls are not like that. I am so happy that he wrote that. And I wrote, and this is coming from a guy who apparently knows everything about girls secretly. Bravo! Seems like you have studied them, because I'm like, how can a guy know more about girls than actually a girl like myself? I mean, what? I felt offended. I'm like, I thought that guy can't be for real, right? Rashi Khare came in and said, nailed it. Thank you, Rashi, you rock. So then John Moses felt hurt in his ego and thought, 2 girls against me, I gotta defend myself. And he wrote, look pal, I have met and analyzed tons of Indian girls. I have learned so many signs that tell you when a person is lying or not. Wow, you seem to be for real. I have interrogated so many girls from a metropolis in India, Bangalore. Okay, good to know. Leaving out the dirty stuff involving peeing and other private stuff. Wait, girls don't pee, you was trying to say? I know that very few Indian city girls are like you. Wow, seems like you studied so many million and billions of people, right? Miss Rikshawali, and most of India's population lives in the city. So in other parts of the country, girls would definitely not behave like that. Really? You're so sure about that? Well, I guess you could be wrong there, Mr. John Moses. And then he wrote, I've lived in India for 7 years now and I know so much. Imagine if I had lived here for longer. I would have known triple the girls who are nothing like you. Wow, John Moses. Girls, be careful of this Mr. John Moses, because he seems to be studying all of the girls. Maybe he's a stalker, I don't know. But he seems to know a lot of these things. And then, of course, at the end he had to write, and yes, if you must know, I kind of studied them. Well, I guess he kind of knows things, right? I guess he kind of studied everything in life, right? So this was it, Ricksters, and do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this new concept of mine, and do give it a thumbs up if you want to see more comment drama videos from me. So in case this video gets enough thumbs up, your comment could be featured in my next comment drama video. So keep commenting, Ricksters, and keep giving thumbs ups. So see you all next time in my rickshaw. Wait, there is no rickshaw. So tata, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking down here. Otherwise, John Moses will come and study you all. So subscribe.